Welcome to my channel. My name is London and I have a friend from Thanksgiving telling me that I had a little bit too much of the sweet stuff. Does anyone else get breakouts when they eat too much sugary stuff? But in this video, I'm going to be showing you some new products, and also I did a look a while ago asking you guys if you wanted to see it, and a couple of you said that you did, so I've been meaning to do this, so I thought, why don't I just combine new products and also an eye look all in one nice video. I went Black Friday shopping and I found this jacket that I'm wearing right now that is not really my style, but it is so cute. Look, so it's got little stripies on the sides here, and it says bonjour y'all. Oh my god, I love it. I saw it and I laughed. I was like, bonjour y'all, my name is London, my mom speaks a little bit of French. I like the word y'all. What an appropriate shirt to have. Let's get into the makeup now. So the first part of the video is going to be on the eye look, and then the second part of the video is going to be all of my new stuff that I've got. So for the eye look, I'm using my trusty old Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. I'm also going to be using the Fenty Beauty Eyeliner Bling Brass Money Metallic Eye Crayon Set. I'm using the Smokin Purp. I haven't decided yet, but I think I want to use the Killawatt palette. It's so pretty. First color that I'm going to be taking is this one at the bottom there, and Come and Get It. I'm just going to be putting this all into my crease here. And it's okay. Be sloppy. Now I'm going to be taking Saffron, that red color. I'm going to be putting this on my outer V and into my crease. Now I'm going to be taking the Smokin Purp crayon and filling in the front half of my eyelid. Stick it to me, stick it to me. I'm putting it over that crayon. So now I'm going to take that same Stick It To Me color and I'm going to blend out the edges of everything and blend it out into my crease, but not blending it into my lid. Now taking Saffron and intensifying that outer corner. I'm going to put a pause on the eyeshadow for now. I'm going to go in with a foundation. Now, the foundation that I have is a sample of the Aucoin, the etheralist foundation in the shade Light 2. A little person right for me, it's in here. And I've tried this once before. It is a thick foundation. I found that I like to use this with a beauty blender. I don't know what it is about this foundation. I'm really glad that I got a sample of it because it's not like wowing me. It's just kind of meh. Next up, I have the Cover FX Power Play Concealer in the shade Neutral Fair 1. But it gets a lot of product on there. So I'm just gonna wipe a little bit off and then dot. Oh. This is really light. I look like those Instagram people where they dot their face, then they blend everything out. I would have used the Cover FX foundation, but I already had a video with this, so I'm gonna go in with another concealer for my little friend here. So this is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Cream Brulee. I'm just gonna take this on a fluffy concealer brush and just a little lightly dabbing it in and then just tapping it. And I think I might add just a teeny bit. I'm just gonna powder my face and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna finish up the eyes. I'm first gonna take the Stick It To Me and put this underneath my lash line and connect it with my crease. Start to make this wing shape and slowly building it up and connecting it to my crease here, and we'll blend it out in a second. There's a moth on my Fenty palette! Get away! Jesus. Y'all, can you see this? I'm sure people are shitting their pants right now. Get out! Go away from my Fenty palette! Oh! What the heck? We're moving on. Ignore that. We're moving on. Okay. Freaking moth wants to share my Fenty stuff. Heck no. Ain't gonna be sharing it with me. I don't think so. So now I'm gonna take that same fluffy brush that I used in my crease earlier, and I'm gonna take it a little bit more and starting to really build it up in that outer corner. And now I got a little too crazy out here. So I'm just gonna go back in with my setting powder. And I'm just gonna grab just a little bit on a fluffy brush. And just we're gonna take the Fenty Island Bling liquid eyeshadow. And we're gonna do the like front cut crease with it. Just a little bit on here. And we're just gonna look straight into the mirror. Casa Blanc, and I'm just gonna go right. Now I'm gonna go into the Fenty Killawatt highlighting palette, and I'm gonna take Stone Cold and highlight my inner corner with this. I'm gonna do my face makeup, and I'll come back to do the brow. I wanted to go over this new, well, it's not new, it's kind of new, it's new to me, but it's the Brow Contour Pro by Benefit that has 4 of these little like clicky pin things like we had when we were in school. So there's a lighter shade, a deeper shade, a definer, and a highlighter. I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade first and then fill in my eyebrows. I personally don't like using a defining and highlighting part to my brow every single time, so I'm gonna skip out on doing that today. I already tried the Kush mascara, and I wanted to try the Kush Fiber Brow Gel that's colored. Oh, forgot to say, the Brow Contour Pro is in Blonde Light, and this one is in Dutch. The next thing that I have that is new is the NARS Climax mascara. I have tried this a couple times and I like the wand. It reminds me of the Benefit Bad Gal Lash mascara that I normally like to use because this one has a really nice brush, but it's so liquidy. And then I don't think this lip is gonna go with this eye makeup, but these were on sale at Sephora for $11 and one of my friends highly recommended them, but it's the Milk Makeup lip color in the shade Low Key. And these are really interesting. Let me put it on first. You know, that actually isn't the worst combination of the world. But what I was gonna say was the first time that I used this, it was super dry and it was really hard for me to go over my lips with it. I was really having to tug. Now it's more glides on a bit smoother, but I like it a lot. I think I might have to get more colors of it. I'm gonna go over everything and give a little rundown of all the new stuff. First up, the Kevyn Aucoin foundation. I like this foundation. I don't like it for the price. It's like $58, $60. It doesn't wow me enough to be that price. I would not purchase it, I don't think, but it is pretty. It looks really nice on the skin. You can still see all of my freckles through, but it's just a normal foundation. It's nothing too crazy. The concealer, this was my first time trying it, and it is pretty light, but I do want to try it a couple more times, see if I'll have more of an opinion on it. But I do like the way that it blended, and I do like the way that it mixed with my foundation. Next up, the NARS concealer. I've only used the teeniest little bit, but I really like this concealer. This one I like because it's full coverage. You only need to use a little bit, and it covers everything. It covers my darkness, pimples, redness, you name it, it can cover it up. I really like this one, and it's creamy, but it also has this like matte finish to it without cleaning into any dry spot. The brow pen, I think it's cute, I think it's innovative, but I personally probably would only use the lighter shade. I can definitely see myself going through the entire lightest shade. Like, I clicked this thing maybe like 1,000 times, and I think I'm just gonna go through the lighter shade first, and then the other 3 are gonna be in this thing forever. The Milk Makeup Kush fiber gel, I've been really liking this. I like it because I've never had a tinted brow gel, so I don't really have a lot of expectations for a brow gel, but I do like how this goes into my brows. It's easy to take off, but it doesn't like smear throughout the day. Like if I touch my eyebrow, it's not gonna like wipe off my whole eyebrow. The Climax mascara, I'm gonna have to get back to you about because I really like the brush, but it's just a little too liquidy for me. But once I gave the Benefit Bad Gal Lash more of a chance once it dried up, I really enjoyed that one. So I'm thinking that once this one dries up a little bit, I'll really like this one. But as of now, I'm just kind of like meh. With the lipstick, I love the color and the formula of it. I love that it's matte, but it's not like a drying matte. Like it doesn't dry down, it's already matte, so it doesn't feel like a lot on my lip. It also doesn't emphasize a lot of texture on my lips, so I like that. It's just the first kind of like layer, you have to kind of like warm it up to like get it smooth on your lips for applying. And of course, I love my Fenty palette. No thanks to the moth, I'm not sharing. But that rounds up everything with the eye look and also with the new products I have. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. Also comment below on if you have any new products that you like and if anything that I should try out. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos. I have a ton of stuff coming up for you guys, so I hope you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified for all of my new videos. Also, I post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so stay tuned on those days. Alright, and this is everything. Thank you for watching.